Today, we're going to explore how almond milk can help in shedding excess fat. Almond milk, derived from soaked and blended almonds, is a popular plant-based milk alternative. What sets it apart is its potential to aid in weight loss. First of all, almond milk is lower in calories than traditional cow's milk. By replacing regular milk with almond milk in your diet, you can reduce your overall calorie intake, which is essential for fat loss. What's more, almond milk contains healthy fats that can boost your metabolism. These monounsaturated fats can help your body burn stored fat more efficiently, promoting weight loss. Another advantage of almond milk is its low glycemic index. This means it doesn't cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels, helping to maintain stable energy levels and prevent the cravings that often lead to overeating. It is lactose-free and suitable for people with lactose intolerance or dairy allergies. Remember, incorporating almond milk into your weight loss journey is just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and consultation with a healthcare professional are essential to achieving healthy, lasting weight loss. Before beginning any weight loss program or making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, it is strongly recommended that you consult a qualified healthcare professional or registered dietitian. For more info about natural weight loss, please click on the link pinned in the comments.